Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope very well. So I was watching Harshman Hills several weeks ago now, because this is how long it's taken me to get to this. But I bought what he displayed. Of course, I'm not going to show you my home address, even though some of you already have it for stickers and stuff, but and I haven't opened this since I've gotten it. I picked up the Extremus 3.5-inch fixed blade camp knife. Now the reason I got this because it was $6.99 on Amazon. I will check to see if it's still $6.99 or if it's still available. But after tax, this was $7.70 because I'm a Prime member. And I thought, damn, that's cheap for a knife. Let's get it and take a look at it. So let me get the camera down and we'll go over a better look. Alright, hopefully you guys can see this okay. I'm having to work around a picnic table, so the knife with the sheath, it's got the classic Mora clip. Just like a Mora, even though it's not a Mora. Comes with a ferro rod, which looks pretty decent. And it's got the classic ferro rod handle on it, which I don't mind. Plastic sheath, which I actually don't mind. Comes a little neon what's that called? Paracord. So you have a little bit of cordage, and if you drop it, hopefully you'll be able to find it and won't match a fall leaf. Can we get it out? There we go. So that's the knife. Get rid of the box. You know, it's got a pretty comfortable handle, really. The blade feels pretty sturdy. It just looks just like a Mora blade. It's got this serrated cutter on the back, which I'm not quite sure what that's for, but this has kind of an edge to it. I might get the other camera and do a close-up. Okay. Like I said, here's the sheath again. Plastic. I think plastic gets a bad rep. I think it's pretty decent. Plus, you know, it's got some extra holes here, so you can hang a paracord off, or if you have, if you saw my video of my EDC carabiner, I have this carabiner full of petroleum jelly on here, but this mini carabiner, I actually didn't even plan this, would fit right on here. Does it fit on here? I may have made a lighter. Did it make me a liar? No, it does. So you could have your knife and your fire extinguisher too. Or you could hang in maybe a whistle, or like this is full of cotton balls. You could carry cotton balls. So you'd have a tinder with it. Of course it would be dangling, but, or you know, you could carry a lighter too. As long as it fits through the little hole here, which, you know, this carabiner clearly did. But you have options. I mean, you could put it up here and let it hang, or I don't know if I would carry this, but I would probably hook it on my backpack, because my backpack, I got the Hidden Woodsman pack today, and it's got molly webbing, so I can hook this on, hook something on, hangs with it, tinder for making fires. Anyway, I was showing, ooh, yeah, don't come at a knife like this. I almost cut myself. It's got this little point here. I'm kind of curious to try that sometime in video and see if it's good for, maybe if you know, maybe it's for cutting cordage, but I was thinking if you were using it to work down tinder, or maybe feather sticks. Some might require a little testing. What if I got a piece of wood around here somewhere? I should go find a piece and see if I can do that, because I'd be curious to see if how that would work. Now, when it comes to striking a ferro rod, I'd probably have to use a spot up here. So just, if you didn't have a, I almost said where's my ferro rod, and I realized. So if I was striking, I'd probably just hold it up here and just, you know, strike with this portion. So, if that's how you like to roll. Give you a closer look at the handle. The handle doesn't feel uncomfortable either. It's got that molded plastic handle. I don't know if you'd want to choke up on this because of the opening here, but I guess if you're careful, you could go right here if you're doing some fine woodworking. Excuse me. Get a little sip of my coffee, and I've been talking for like 2 hours straight now. So you could, you know, choke up to here as long as you're careful. But you know, when I'm working with knives, I usually try to wear gloves, which I do have some. They're actually in the car, but pretty comfortable handle. Big enough for my big hands. I got large hands. Well, not bad for $7.70 either. Is it sharp? Doesn't feel super sharp, but you could probably hit that with a strop before you go to use it. Which I may take it home and strop it before I do anything else with it. So I might, next weekend I might try to get this out and do a fuller video, or do some wood sampling with it. See how it comes out. But you know, I was looking at these rivets just now. If you were to go to a store and try to match these, then you could actually attach more things on here. I know this this bottle here. You know, feed that loop through. So now you have a lighter, plus you have cotton balls. So it's just an option you can run if you wanted to. Or like I said, whistle, or maybe even like a small fishing kit in here. A spool of some wire, a couple hooks, a couple sinkers. And these hold quite a bit of stuff. And there's all kinds of different models online too. Some bigger, some smaller. So this just has cotton balls right now, but not bad little knife for $7.70 though, I gotta say. So yeah. Be curious, curious your thoughts in the description. I think I got to get this thing out for some actual woods time. But when I do that, we'll that way I don't have to go over any of the. Does it come with specs? Oh. Well, it's got some specs. So 3.5 fixed blade knife, 7 CR17 stainless steel, magnesium fire shield. Can't talk. Magnesium Firestarter tool, PP and TPR molded handle, glass-filled nylon molded safety sheath. That's glass-filled? Huh. And paracord lanyard included. But another thing too, you could untie this and put something on the lanyard that would hang on the end as well. So options. Oh, they even have a phone number. So, first impression, kind of a cool knife. I'll have to get it out and do some work with it. So, I'll probably do a follow-up video on this, so you guys can see it in action. That is the Extremus Camp knife with Firestarter. Well, alrighty. Well, that's the first look at the Extremus Camp knife. Stay tuned to the channel. Like, subscribe, please. If you want to see more, Plans are right now, this next coming weekend, it's my bro's birthday, so we're gonna try and go camping. Knock on wood, even though this is a metal table. So I'm really hoping we can get out. So yeah, get out and actually get some back practical use. So anyway, as always, I do thank you for watching. Your views and support are very much appreciated. If you're not a subscriber and you'd like to be, just hit the little button. It's completely free. There are ads, but you know, that's YouTube for you. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.